gentle.
WWF one.
Oh, jeez. Don't hurt him, Lily. Ow. Thank goodness he's laughing.
Tackle him. Lily, don't push him into the wall.
All right, let him up.
You got to play nice.
You still got both ears, son? Okay, Lily. You gotta let him up, honey. It's only fun if you let him get away a little
Lily,
bit.
let go for a second.
Body slam him.
Lily, let him up.
Good job, David. Yay! All right, babe. Clap with him. Clap with him.
Clap
with him. Say yay.
Clap, Lily. Clap with him. Clap.